Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, good morning. We're here in Mount Bridges, Ontario. A good friend of ours, Stephenson Home Improvements, called us in. They're doing a beautiful canopy and home renovations. They asked us to do the flat roof. You can see on the top left there. It's a canopy, so they want to be able to enjoy sitting out in the deck, being able to enjoy the weather without getting rained on. We are going to waterproof it. We have a scupper on one side. All the carpenters did all the work for us to frame the canopy so it drains out. It's a 2-ply system we're going to do. They're going to put on the metal flashing. We'll show you what it looks like. Hope you like it. Hope you learned something. Follow us along for the job. Thanks so much. Okay, we've come up to the roof. Again, the carpenters did a wonderful job framing this out, sloping this. Now we got a positive water drain, so when people look outside the window, they're not looking at a pond. We're going to have positive water drainage. We're going to install a scupper there. The wood's in good shape. All we're going to do is prime it, put a peel and stick base sheet, a peel and stick cap sheet, and weld the seams. Show what it looks like. Follow us along. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. We've been about a couple hours. We finished priming the deck, and that's just an adhesive that the base sheet adheres to the wood deck. We made sure to envelope the parapet so water gets through the metal flashing. It still gets to the membrane and down to the scupper. We installed the scupper. On a flat roof, you can either have 2 ways, actually 3, between an eaves trough, an internal drain, and an overflow scupper. In this situation, we use an overflow scupper. So again, it was tapered down to this portion, and we put the base sheet on first, dry fitted, measured, cut the scupper in place, and then roofed in the scupper. So it's sandwiched in between 2 layers of base sheets. We are going to prime it now and start putting the cap sheet and weld the cap sheet. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, we finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. It's a residential home in Mount Bridges. Again, it was a canopy. They want to be able to enjoy sitting outside even when it's raining, so they won't get wet. Anyway, straightforward. We had the carpenters come and do the wood blocking for us. We had a scupper detail. You can see the different color. That is it's a sealant. So now even in winter when you got snow and ice buildup just sitting there, it's going to just give it an extra layer of protection. We had a parapet detail here. The metal crew is going to come and do a metal cap flashing there. So if you live in London or in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.